System errors causing the Ionic zip library DLL crashes in .NETZip, Ionic. Compression library. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we get started with Ionic zip library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Ionic zip library, the primary execution library for the .NETZip, Ionic.zip project. It allows .NET applications to create and extract password-protected .zip files. It is a mandatory dependency for many auto-updaters and mod managers. If missing, the software will report zip archive could not be opened or extraction module load failure. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Ionic zip acts as a vital connection for .NETZip, Ionic, compression library operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Ionic zip library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Ionic zip library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Ionic zip library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Ionic zip library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.